Our first Glitza experience.
I think it's really cool because it's my first time having the glitter experience in my life, and it was quite easy to use it, so it felt really awesome.
It's good to hear. I'm glad you liked. Can you see other places in your everyday life, like in your home, that you could use Glitza?
Actually, I study in UK, and in UK there's lots of glitter party, and we use glitter for like playing crazy around and just hanging around and for lots of parties. And that's the only way I just use the glitters. So it's like really fun activities to use the glitter in as my hobby.
It's good to hear. Would you see it using it by yourself or with your friends or maybe with some younger relatives?
I usually use it with my friends for the party, but I think it fits the younger ages too, along with the ages like me. I'm 22.
That's good to hear. Well, thanks, Grace.